Top 20 Indoor Plant Pots. You need right now? Hello and welcome. Today, we embark on a journey to discover the perfect pots to bring joy to your indoor garden. Get ready to be inspired by 20 unique pots that will elevate your home's ambience. Imagine this, a cascade of lush green leaves spilling gracefully from this stunning ceramic pot. The smooth, cool touch of the ceramic brings a sense of tranquility and sophistication. Each brushstroke on this unique hand-painted pot tells a story. The vibrant colors and intricate designs add a touch of personality and artistry to your indoor space. Living in a smaller space doesn't mean you have to sacrifice your love for plants. This compact yet stylish pot is perfect for windowsills, shelves, or even a cozy reading nook. Clean lines, bold shapes. This sleek modern pot makes a statement without overpowering the natural beauty of your plant. Its understated elegance complements minimalist interiors, creating a sense of calm and order. Embrace sustainability without compromising on style. This eco-friendly bamboo pot brings warmth and natural beauty to your home. It's a perfect choice for those who appreciate sustainable living. There's a reason terracotta pots have been beloved for centuries. Their warm, earthy tones and porous texture create the ideal environment for your plants to thrive. They exude a sense of history and tradition, reminding us of sun-drenched gardens. Elevate your plants literally with a charming macrame hanger. Imagine your favorite cascading plant gracefully trailing down, creating a whimsical focal point. Who says pots have to be neutral? This vibrant glazed pot injects a burst of color into your home. Let the bright hues energize your space and inspire creativity. Sometimes, less is more. This minimalist white pot lets the beauty of your plants take center stage. Imagine the contrast of lush green leaves against the crisp white background. Succulents, with their unique shapes and textures, deserve a pot that's just as special. This planter, designed specifically for succulents, provides excellent drainage and allows their beauty to shine. Imagine a collection of these pots, each showcasing a different variety of succulent. Transform your plant into a work of art with this stunning mosaic pot. The intricate tilework adds a touch of luxury and artistry to your home. Each piece is unique, reflecting the handcrafted skill of the artisan. Bring the warmth and character of nature indoors with this rustic wooden pot. Each knot and grain tells a story, adding a touch of history and authenticity to your space. Imagine the feeling of running your hand over the rough-hewn wood. This versatile ceramic pot is like a blank canvas, ready to complement any plant and any decor style. Its simple design and neutral color allow you to let your creativity shine. Imagine it as a supporting character, enhancing the beauty of the leading role, your plant. Bold and modern, this geometric concrete pot adds a touch of industrial chic to your space. Its strong lines and raw texture create a striking contrast with the delicate beauty of your plants. It's a reminder that opposites attract and that beauty can be found in unexpected places. Imagine the scent of fresh herbs wafting through your kitchen as you cook. This herb garden pot makes it easy to grow your own culinary delights indoors. It's a practical and stylish way to add flavor and freshness to your meals. Add a touch of vintage charm to your home with this unique repurposed pot. Perhaps it's an old metal bucket or a weathered enamelware basin, each with its own story to tell. These pieces add character and personality to your space. Create a dramatic focal point in your home with this large, statement-making pot. Imagine a towering fiddle leaf fig or a majestic bird of paradise gracing its presence. This is not just a pot, it's an architectural element that commands attention. Bring a touch of playfulness to your home with a whimsical animal-shaped pot. Imagine a cute cat planter or a charming owl design. These pots are sure to bring a smile to your face every time you see them. Orchids, with their delicate blooms and graceful stems, deserve a pot that's just as elegant. This orchid pot, with its sleek lines and sophisticated design, enhances the natural beauty of these exquisite flowers. Imagine it as a piece of jewelry, showcasing the orchid's beauty. We've saved the best for last. This show-stopping pot is a work of art in itself. Intricate details, luxurious materials, and a design that's both unique and unforgettable. Thank you for joining me on this journey to discover the joy of finding the perfect plant pot. Remember, the right pot should spark joy and create a harmonious balance between your plants and your home. Now, go forth and create your own indoor oasis.